This video will show you how to assemble a downtown L-desk with adjustable height return. This video walks through the assembly of a 72 by 78 inch L-desk. While you may have a different size, steps to assemble are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Assemble on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Begin by attaching the support frames to each leg connector. With two people, flip the adjustable frame upside down. Insert the adjustable glides into each leg. Attach the Modesty panel to the legs. Then, set the frame aside. We will assemble the adjustable height return before attaching the desktop. Place the lifting columns and center frame upside down. Attach each lifting column to the center frame. Attach the Modesty panel support brackets into each lifting column. Ensure the arrows are facing the opposite direction of the Modesty panel support bracket. Attach the feet to the lifting columns. Place the return leg upside down near the lifting column. Attach the foot bracket to the return leg and the lifting column foot using a glide. Insert the remaining return leg frame and lifting column adjustable glides. With a second person, carefully flip the assembled return frame on its feet. Attach each return top support bracket to the center frame. Attach the return support bar to the brackets on the Modesty panel. Place the adjustable height return frame and desk frame near your desired location. Attach the return frame to the desk frame by aligning the holes on top of the return leg frame. Attach the return support bar to the return frame and the desk frame. Attach the Modesty panel to the leg frame and the desk frame. Insert the control box in the center frame. Plug the programmable handset, lifting column cables, and power cord into the control box. Cover the holes in the return leg frame with the hole caps. With a second person, carefully attach the desktop to the desk frame. Then carefully attach the return desktop to the adjustable height frame. Attach the programmable handset to the front edge of the return desktop. Insert cable grommets into the desktop. Attach the cable management tray to the frame. Plug the power cord into a standard 120-volt outlet. Raise and lower the return top to ensure proper alignment. The downtown L-desk with adjustable height return is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.